The relation between Ayurveda and we humans are not man-made. Yes, it has been made by nature years and centuries back. The edible product ghee, which we consider bad for our health, has already been considered beneficial for us by Ayurveda. There must be something in it then, right? So let's today talk about a certain Ayurvedic ghee that will show the effectiveness of ghee on our body. Hello friends, welcome back to our official YouTube channel. I am Nidhishri and today I am going to talk about Triphala Ghrith. But before talking much about the same, let me inform you that you can easily get this Ayurvedic medicine from our online store, that is www.paramanandayurveda.com. Moreover, you are going to get free home delivery services as well. So let's now gather some details about this brilliant Ayurvedic medicine. By the name of Triphala, you must have considered that it consists of 3 ingredients in it. But here you are wrong. If we talk about the list of Triphala Ghrith, it consists of overall 19 powerful herbal ingredients which include the names like Amla, Harad, Baheda, Ela, Haridra, honey, etc. The base of Triphala Ghrith is cow's ghee and all the other herbs are infused in it. It is all these ingredients that make Triphala Ghrith a potent and capable Ayurvedic medicine. If we talk about the health problems that can be taken care of by using Triphala Ghrith, these include hair fall, cough, fever, etc. Triphala Ghrith is very beneficial for enhancing the digestive power of the body as well as in the process of detoxification. It is a very well known Pitta and Vata Shamak. Triphala Ghrith is very well known to take care of the nervous system as well as regulating the blood circulation in the body. So this was all about the ingredients as well as the health benefits of Triphala Ghrith. And let's now move on to next very vital step. This vital step is doses. If we talk about the doses of Triphala Ghrith, this can be taken 1/4 to half a teaspoon with warm water. This medicine is recommended to be taken 10 minutes before the meal. Although it's purely safe and is not going to give you any side effect, you still need to take care of consult your doctor. Here, if you are not feeling capable of approaching the Ayurvedic doctor or want to consult the doctor online, we do have the solution for you. Paramanand Ayurveda provides you an Ayurvedic doctor online whom you can consult completely free of cost. You just need to visit the website and click on Consult Our Doctor tab. So this was all about the amazing health benefits and every other aspect about Triphala Ghrith. And let's now move on to your question, that is from where to purchase it. If you are in a search of quality Triphala Ghrith or any other Ayurvedic medicine, you just don't need to wander here and there. We are here to assist you. Paramanand Ayurveda offers you an opportunity to order the Ayurvedic medicines either via online mode or via offline mode. You will be getting all the medicines at the discounted prices along with the free home delivery services. Yes, actually we are the only Ayurvedic company in India to provide you free home delivery services for a wide range of quality Ayurvedic medicines. To order the Ayurvedic medicine, you just need to visit the website and click on Add to Cart button. Otherwise, you can make a call, SMS or WhatsApp on 9990004674. Here, I want to tell you a vital thing. If you don't find your required Ayurvedic medicine on the website, just don't worry. You can easily get that medicine by utilizing the VIP order form, which is available on the homepage of the website. Here, you need to fill the required details as well as the medicine name. Your order will be simply placed. Otherwise, here too you can repeat the process of making a call, SMS or WhatsApp on the same number. In every case, your medicine will be simply placed and you will be receiving your Ayurvedic medicine at your doorstep in no more than 3 to 4 working days. Here, you are going to get a discount that is up to 15% and you are not going to pay any delivery charges. So from now onward, whatever Ayurvedic medicine you require, just purchase it from Paramanand Ayurveda without any trouble. If you like the video, just like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more healthy and Ayurvedic updates. In the next video, I will be back again with my new medicine. Till that time, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you and bye-bye.